Okay guys, so welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to unbox this 1x18 diecast model of Mercedes GLC Coupe. So I have added another Mercedes model in my collection. It's a dealer edition and I bought this model from Mercedes online shop. If you want to buy this, I'll provide the link in the description of the video. So subscribe to our channel for more videos like this and follow me on Instagram at miniature_automobiles for daily updates. Let's get started. Okay guys, so hope you enjoyed the video. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.